Gravity is an essential force that governs our everyday lives. We need it to keep our feet on the ground, to keep us from floating into space, and to help us move with ease. But did you know that there are places on Earth where gravity doesn't work as expected? Let's explore 10 fascinating places where the laws of gravity seem to bend. Magnetic Hill, Canada. Magnetic Hill is a place where your car may seem to roll uphill instead of down. It's not magic, it's an optical illusion caused by the surrounding landscape's shape, which makes it appear as if you're driving uphill. But it's still a fun ride nonetheless. The Mystery Spot, USA. The aptly named Mystery Spot in Santa Cruz, California, has defied gravity for years. People visiting here experience weirdness in gravity, like feeling closer to the ground, and they can't stand up straight. Some believe this spot is built on a supernatural vortex or even extraterrestrial activity. The Eternal Flame Falls, USA. Ohio's Eternal Flame Falls is a beauty to behold. Positioned between two rocks, a small flame keeps going no matter the season. But how does this happen? It's because of the small gas release that ignites and remains lit for all eternity. Lake Berryessas Glory Hole, USA. A giant circular hole called the Glory Hole in California's Lake Berryessa may appear as if it leads straight to hell. But it's a method for water to drain along a spillway without eroding the side of the dam. The hole is 72 meters deep, precisely below the top of the dam's crest. Magnetic Islands Magnetic Rocks, Australia. The magnetic rocks off Magnetic Islands coast, Queensland, appear to move on their own accord, and the rocky ground between them is magnetic, giving small objects the impression of levitating. Legend has it the rocks are the remnants of a sea monster turned to stone by Aboriginal warriors. The Hills Have Eyes, USA. Gravity Hill in New Jersey appears as if you're driving uphill, even as you let your car roll downhill. The phenomenon has more to do with the surrounding landscape's physics than anything spiritual or extraterrestrial. Kuba, Australia. Kuba is a unique mining town in South Australia where people have decided to live underground due to the area's extreme heat. One could say gravity works, but it's technically underground, so it's out of reach. The Center of the Earth, USA. An enormous sculpture in Windlock, Washington, reputedly points to the center of the Earth, where gravity can be minimal due to its overwhelming size. It's hard to ignore the big metal ball claimed to attract passers-by. The Santa Cruz Wharf, USA. Another spot in Santa Cruz, California, often known as the Wharf's seafloor, has a reverse effect of gravity. When dropping an item over the edge of the pier, it'll spring back up in the air, like defying gravity's pull. The Petrifying Well, England. Known as the miracle of nature, the Petrifying Well in North Yorkshire, England, coats objects in a long-lasting layer of minerals that turns them to stone over time. The well's water has unique properties that make it possible to petrify even everyday items. Gravity may be a fundamental property of the universe, but these places show us that it can play tricks on our senses. Nonetheless, exploration of these unique locations is well worth the effort. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it thumbs up, share and hit that subscribe button down below.